Yo, what up? Social Cam. It's Tuesday morning, about to go to work. As you know, many of you that are close to me know I just relocated to Durham, North Carolina not too long ago, about 5 months ago now. Um, Joined an awesome ministry here, and just really excited about transition. And, a lot of times we associate transitions with something negative. But my church is currently going through a transition, and man, when I say this is a really big thing. We relocating our building, to a new location, and our name is just phenomenal. You know, and I'm just so excited to be a part of such an awesome movement. Um, so if you're in the Durham area, check out We Church, WE Church. Because we church, we evangelize, we educate, we empower, we worship, and we praise. So, my pastor, Dr. James Lemuel Spence, awesome man of God. I mean, just bringing the house down every Sunday for 12 o'clock services. Actually, we changing the service time to 12 o'clock. And every Tuesday night, 7 o'clock, Powerful Living Bible Study is just awesome, man. I mean, it's just the right time to connect, with a ministry that's on the up and up, on the move, doing a lot of different things in the community, right in the heart of the Bull City, Durham, North Carolina. So if you're in the Durham area, hit us up. Again, We Church. You can't miss us, So love you guys. Stay tuned.